In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to insert point clouds and rotate to project north, and just a couple basic tools with point clouds in Revit in general. So we'll learn how to place and position a point cloud in Revit, how to manage the links in Revit for point clouds, and how to rotate project north. So first, we can just open a new project. We'll open a new architectural template. From there, you want to go to your Insert tab and select point cloud. We'll open this demo project. Positioning you want to pay attention to. Positioning center to center can mean it's just going to use the center of the point cloud to center it in the Revit model. Origin to origin, you typically have a site plan that has already an origin assigned to it. You can change this origin if you want. But typically when you open your project, it's set to 0, 0 to start off with. Or you can do shared coordinates. So if I go back into point cloud and go into the shared coordinates, that's if you have your point cloud in survey control, so you can overlay it in your model. In this case, we'll just do center to center. We'll pick on the RCP. You can change it from RCP, RCS, or any other point cloud file type that you have to import into Revit. In this case, we'll use RCP. That's the typical point clouds for Revit that you want to bring in, and say open, and it opens our point cloud. As you can see, if I go to a site plan, it's kind of rotated off. We can kind of think of this as true north. So right over here in our orientation, we have project north and true north. Right now, if we change it, it's all going to be the same because we haven't rotated it to project north, which is kind of a better way to use it. So if we're going to model walls, we're not modeling at extreme angles. So I'm going to go back to level 1 here. I'm actually going to adjust my view range to 0, -10, and -20. So we can see some of the walls to draw a line to rotate it to project north. From here, we're going to start a detail line, and we'll just start it at one of the walls and go up to another side of the wall. So there's our line. From there, we want to go to our Manage tab, Positioning, and rotate to project north. We can turn it 90 degrees, clockwise or counterclockwise, 180 degrees, but in this case we're going to use a line and select that line to rotate it to project north. So we'll go ahead and select that. We'll pick on our line, and it automatically rotates it to project north for us. So now if we switch our orientation from project north to true north, it switches back and forth. Okay, and that's how you do bring in point clouds and you rotate it to project north.